Does somebody have the tag from the other arena just strapped on your belt or strapped on your horse or pressed it? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. I gave him 8 heads at a 96.51. Jesse, they need you to booth. Jesse. All right. Our next team is going to be Colleen and Dennis. They're going to be followed by Suzanne and Zach. This team is working with 5 heads. Colleen and Dennis. You're up next. Followed by Suzanne and Zach. Tim and Rebecca. Flags up. 6, 6, 6. All right, that's going to be no time. Okay, our next team out is going to be Zach and Suzanne, followed by Tim and Rebecca. Donna and Marilee be thinking about it. Zach and Suzanne are working with 5 heads.